1, 2, 3. Action! My choreographer has seen my work and he's gone. Atul gave me lots of money.
इतने पैसे दिए आप राहुल सर को इसीलिए आए हो.
I've been a huge Rahul Bose fan, to be honest.
There's no accounting for bad taste in this world.
Does the outside world know about the rugby story? The last.
Shouldn't she pay you?
I thought you would have already given him. You've been paid so much.
बहुत कम दफा ऐसा होता है कि राहुल बोस बोलती बंद कर सके.
चलो.
प्रियंका ने करी है.
बंदूक लाओ.
सर मुझे बोलने दो, मुझे खत्म करने दो 1 मिनट सर. I want to say something.
Hi guys, welcome to Midday and many congratulations for this wonderful trailer. I've been hearing good things from my journalist friends about the film, but I absolutely love the trailer. And I think last work that Atul did was Jubilee, and that was also so beautiful. So of course, there's a lot of excitement. So Apar, I'll start with you. Were you narrated Berlin on the sets of Jubilee while working on it?
First of all, Priyanka, thank you so much for all the love and wishes on the film. Actually, अतुल सर और मेरी मुलाकात ज़्यादा जुबली पे हुई नहीं. जब पहली बार एक बार रीडिंग करने के लिए बैठे जुबली के लिए हम, तब तक वो ऑलरेडी ऑफ कोर्स जुबली का ऑडिशन देख चुके थे मेरा, और तब तक बर्लिन की बातें शुरू हो चुकी थी. सो ही इन अ वे कास्टेड मी लुकिंग एट द ऑडिशन ऑफ जुबली, नॉट इन द एंटायर प्रोसेस ऑफ जुबली और आफ्टर वॉचिंग जुबली और व्हाइल शूटिंग जुबली. सो दैट्स हाउ द जर्नी स्टार्टेड. बट आई मस्ट से द मोमेंट ही नरेटेड, I remember that very moment I asked him for the script and I read it the same very day. There was a very different feeling because it was a world which I had not heard of, not ever read before. I mean totally unseen. और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने सब कुछ वीव इन किया है, सोचना ही मुश्किल है ये. और बाकी जो उन्होंने कैरेक्टर्स बांधे हैं और स्टोरी टेलिंग को साइन लैंग्वेज के थ्रू आगे लेकर जाना है, you know, this type of storytelling is very different.
Right. What about you, Rahul? How did this really pan out for you? What did you really like about the script? Or was it the narration, the part that really interested you?
Atul gave me lots of money.
Z5 and Z Studios. Congratulations. इतने पैसे दिए आपने अतुल राहुल सर को इसीलिए आए हो. Thank you.
That's it?
I'm very driven. If you can see my career, I'm just driven by my greed for money.
I'm so happy, Priyanka, that you get his sense of humor. Because sometimes people are like, अच्छा, तो कितने पैसे मिले?
Do this the whole day, like his one-liners are fabulous.
Yeah.
At every opportunity he comes up with
Yeah. He doesn't leave an opportunity. He doesn't.
Like,
Rather अब स्ट्रेस ये हो गया है, सच बताऊं, अनु भी सही कहेगी, कि अब ये गेस करना मुश्किल हो जाता है कि कब ये मजाक कर रहे हैं, कब ये सीरियस हो गए हैं. So it's difficult to guess that.
It's a great character. It's a wonderful. It's very well written. The interiority, the silences, the slow burn, all of that is very reminiscent of the John le Carré novels. Smiley's People, Spy Who Came from the Cold. They've been made into a film. You should watch the 2012 Gary Oldman in Smiley's People. Watch it. It's the same world.
Oh.
And so here it's not about good guys versus the bad guys. Here it's about everybody seems to be on the same side-ish. But who's black, who's white, who's grey, what the hell is going on? It's not driven by a plot. Somebody's trying to dominate the world or blow up the atom bomb of atom bombs. No. It's something is just happening and you don't know who to back as an audience. Who's the person? It's very shadowy. Loved it. As far as the character goes, what's not to love? He's just, he's just propelled by a desire to win at all costs. And you find him at a particularly desperate point of time in his professional career. He has to win. He cannot lose. And for that, he's prepared to bring anything and everyone down.
Well, that's so interesting. Anupriya, of course, in the trailer, we see just glimpses of yours. And if there is a mystery around you, who is this woman? Tell me, I mean, when you kind of read the script or you spoke to Atul, was the mystery around what you were about to play that really spoke to you and got your intrigue?
I think the first and foremost was that I love Atul sir's work as a director. I've been a fan since Powder. and I didn't want to lose a chance of working. That's been my thing. If I like a director and I've always somewhere been very intrigued by him, I don't want to lose a chance of working with him because you never know when that opportunity rises next. And secondly, the idea that my character did not have any dialogues, that kind of had, intrigued me. At that time, I had thought that maybe each scene will have many shades for my character to, exhibit on screen and without dialogues, and that would be interesting. It turned out to be a little different in terms of the execution later, but nonetheless, it's a very special film. The world that it's woven in. I had Apar and Rahul and Ishwak to work with. I've been a huge Rahul Bose fan, to be honest.
I know, it's amazing that,
There's no accounting for bad taste in this world.
Seriously, like I've been saying this before, I've been a huge Rahul Bose fan. So just knowing, again, as I said, कि आपको नहीं पता कि आपको कब उन डायरेक्टर के साथ वापस चांस करने का काम करने का मौका मिलेगा. मुझे नहीं पता था मुझे कब इनके साथ वापस काम कर. और मैं बचपन से मतलब मेरे लिए वो राहुल बोस रहे हैं कि
you make him feel old, right?
No, I mean I say bachpan because from school childhood days when I never even thought of being an actor. I always loved the cinema that he did with Mr. Mrs. Iyer, Chameli and all. I mean, one of the profound actors and the kind of cinema that he represented. I think that's what was the main reason. Not having dialogues, working with Atul, working with a fabulous cast.
Right, and for both of you, if I have to ask you that, like how Anupriya very rightly said that, she's been a huge Rahul Bose admirer. I think everyone has been.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, even before the time when we would discuss about quality, content-driven, you were doing that. Like, you kind of started your career with that.
Correct.
And I feel, I wanted to ask both of you that when you are in the same frame as an actor like that, of course, there's this camaraderie, this comfort. But there's also there could be a nervousness in a performer himself or herself that, okay, I'm working with Rahul Bose, I better deliver.
So
was that there?
For Pushkin Verma, the character, it helps. I need to be nervous in front of him. But having said that, I must say that the kind of learnings, the kind of stories, the kind of experiences, situations I got to know from his life stories are amazing. They're just so mind-blowing. There's so much to learn from there. There's so much to grasp. And I don't remember the last. And to top it all, he's a mind-blowing storyteller.
But these were not about मैंने उस दिन पे ऐसा किया था. No. It's a humiliating. No, self-humiliating. Utterly degrading. Extremely funny, where the butt of the joke has been me. Okay, so it's not like
few of them extremely funny.
अब बैठो 1997 में मैंने ऐसा किया था और फिर उन्होंने कहा था कि राहुल you're the greatest, तो फिर मैंने कहा don't be silly.
70% of them have been extremely funny. 30% of them have been extremely inspiring, I must say. So
tell me one story then, like one biggest learning, just being in his company then.
Does the outside world know about the rugby story, the last?
But that we can't say.
Yeah, we can't. It's long and it's also not the correct.
Tell me, give me an
the funny
appropriate
place.
story.
Okay, I'll give you an appropriate story.
Shouldn't she pay you?
Sorry?
Pay you?
Yeah.
I thought you would have already given him, you've been paid so much.
Love it, Priyanka, superb! छा गए यार आप, छा गए. बहुत कम दफा ऐसा होता है कि राहुल बोस की कोई बोलती बन सके, बोलती बंद कर सके. प्रियंका ने करी है.
बंदूक लाओ.
And I love the hearty laughter. दिल से हंसती हैं तो मजा आ जाता है. Okay, so प्रियंका, कुछ stories हैं जैसे इनके एक दोस्त हैं, अकबर and Naz.
I think what you asked, no.
And then उसके बाद दिल धड़कने दो की एक choreography story है.
That's a great
Please,
story.
yeah.
That's a great
I would
story.
like to know that.
लंबी story है लेकिन बता दो यार कि नहीं.
I'll make it short.
Oh, let's go.
Ready?
Are you all ready?
Galla Guliya. Rehearsal. Mirrors. Dance hall. Anil Kapoor, Priyanka Chopra, Farhan Akhtar, Ranveer Singh, Shefali Shah, Rahul Bose. Bosco Caesar sitting in front. सबके सामने personal choreographers. Okay? That whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Rehearsal. Ready? Okay, everybody. We're going to go for a final rehearsal and they have whistles, God is like, as if you can't hear. 1, 2, 3. Action! Cut! And everybody's like, and everybody's, talking to the choreographer. हाँ सर, ये थोड़ा सा ये हुआ था ना, हाँ, वो हाथ ना. So I looked at my choreographer, and my choreographer, has never happened to me in my life. But supposing somebody shoots you, how will you react? You'll be like, right? My choreographer has seen my work, and he's gone. So I said, hey, come back here. What? It was perfect. Everything was perfect. And he's there. He's like this. He's like, then this is exactly what he does. He goes, नहीं, ठीक हो जाएगा. I'm like, what the hell? Bosco has come down the steps with tears in his eyes, and he's come and said, buddy. I'm like, wasn't I amazing? He said, buddy, you were amazing. I said, I'm a black man in a brown man's body. I've lived in my veins. And he said, now what should we do with you? I said, what? Why are you taking me away? Don't take me away. He said, no, come. Took me away from all those people. That's when the staircase thing was planned.
Otherwise staircase होनी नहीं थी, वो staircase बनाई इसलिए क्योंकि
You also come down the staircase.
And in the corner of my eye, I'm seeing that choreographer on a stretcher is going to the ambulance.
Now tell me, मैंने
Must have been a
जो
blast
70
working with him.
अरे आपने 70% की पहली स्टोरी सुनी है अभी. They all.
लेकिन
You need to
seriously
shut the
बताने का जो
camera.
तरीका है,
You need to shut the camera, and I'm telling you, आप यहाँ पे 3 दिन बैठे रहेंगे, and you'll die laughing, especially the Akbar and Nasser.
Oh!
ये
He has
कौन
two,
सी है?
he has two best friends called Akbar and Nasser.
नासिर. अच्छा,
हाँ,
ये
so
बस-
Akbar and Naz उनकी एक हॉस्पिटल की स्टोरी है. I mean, see, वो खुद ही हंसी जा रहे हैं जो स्टोरी बताते हैं. But we can't start that right now because it's too long.
On that note, then tell me, are you also kind of writing your next
Yeah, written. 18 drafts written.
Wow.
I have my agency that represents me. Love it. The greatest compliment I got was from somebody. They said, you couldn't have written this. I said, what? They said, it's really funny. I said, so? It's also very mainstream. It's very commercial. It's a riot. It's mad. It's impossible. You can't. It's not from you. You've taken it. I said, no, it's me. They're like, then where is this Rahul? We've never seen this Rahul before. So
you'll be
ladies and
directing
gentlemen, in 2025, in a world plagued by seriousness and intellectual nonsense, here comes, and in slow motion I'll be running.
Wow, but you'll be directing it?
Yeah.
That's great. But Anupriya, tell me, has OTT really shifted the game of opportunities, of characters? Do you feel, as far as the substance in a role is considered, we used to have cameos, of course, we still keep having in films, smaller, shorter appearances, but I sometimes feel a series still give even a character with a very short duration
Some
that
justice.
sort of substance that can have a lasting impact.
I think that's also because of the medium, right? You have 10 hours or 8 hours to tell a story as opposed to 1.5, 2 hours in a film. So obviously things have to be more rushed, and you can have more fleshed out characters in a series. So that's thanks to the medium too. Yes, of course, the writing is much better there, and I think because the number game is less in terms of, it's not a Friday to Friday success. It's more word of mouth. You can experiment more with the subjects. इतना वो formula driven नहीं होता है as opposed to being on the main screen, on the big screen, and plus your P&A budgets and all are different. So basically आपका, because there's not so much pressure in getting your weekends, आप और उसमें
Casting में you can also
casting में play कर सकते हो, characters के साथ play कर सकते हो, you can try different concepts, and अब तो I think it's a beautiful time in the entertainment space wherein both the main big screen content as well as the OTT content. They're all kind of cinema content and OTT content are all taking away and feeding off each other, I feel sometimes.
Yeah.
You know,
So true.
there is a lot big, nice, unsaid sort of a camaraderie that's happening between the two, and they are both trying to up each other.
Yeah, yeah.
Which is great. And having said that, I still feel we have a long way to go. There is a fear in me sometimes if you get into the number game, even on the OTT space, wherein you know we start fleshing out the same kind of content, a lot of
To get
thrillers,
those
a lot of
views.
dark stuff. I just feel and I think I'm not an authority to really talk about it, because काफी कुछ होता है जो हमारे हाथ में नहीं होता. Maybe as a producer I would have been able to understand better, but I just feel कि काश हम pre-prod में और time देते, you know, writing में actors को ज़्यादा उसमें involve करते, एक और वो होता amalgamation होता सबके
True.
point of views का, तो बहुत कुछ अच्छा और भी हो सकता है with the kind of effort we are putting in now into writing.
Right. You know, Par, I have to ask you, of course, the last few years have been kind of game changing. It's Jubilee. It's also, I think, when a Jubilee hits, you know, it just makes the actor, the whole audience in the industry wake up to an actor's potential. You know, it's like, oh, he's not just a funny guy. You know, we can experiment with him.
जी.
Do you feel and I have to ask you this, that as a funny man, as somebody who's so good at comedy, have you seen this difference in people, especially industry's perception towards you as an actor? Abhi tum serious actor ho gaye ho. Now we can respect you, you have a credibility. Pehle to tum, you know, you're also a hero's friend, you are a funny man. We can fit you somewhere, but now you have substance. Have you felt that shift?
यार कोई आके ऐसे कहता नहीं है, लेकिन द काइंड ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट्स यू गेट आपको पता लग जाता है कि ये इससे इज्जत बढ़ी है थोड़ी सी शायद. एंड देयर इज बेटर सिनेमा, बेटर स्क्रिप्ट्स, बेटर पीपल, बेटर प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस जिनके साथ अब मैं और चीजें कर रहा हूँ और बेटर स्पेस में कर रहा हूँ. हैविंग सेड दैट, I mean, I was never in the space of mind that I want to prove a point to someone. Okay, when I was getting all those, you know, all those films, all those parts in you know, a comic role or a hero ka dost, as you say, I mean, I respected them as much as I respect, you know, my part in Jubilee or Berlin. So, and that's how it should be, you know. I absolutely love playing those parts, and if at all kabhi aage chal ke bhi koi aisi cheez hogi, I mean, and if the overall situations, you know, fall into place, I would love to do that as well.
I have to ask you, Rahul, that you know, when in the beginning we were talking, Anupriya was talking about your craft in a way that how you've been doing these films, which are today, I really feel today's generation even revisits, you know, as to okay, we want to
They're evergreen films.
yeah, we revisit Chameli. And we see, okay, you know, these were also the men that were created on screen. And you've played every shade of man, you know. But I want to ask you today, the kind of cinema that Hindi, like Bollywood is making, both OTT and big screen, do you feel today finally we have those characters which perhaps you would have also wanted to do mainstream?
You feel we have those characters in the mainstream
Today,
space
do you
right
feel
now?
that? Do you feel that?
I don't know, honestly. Are you referring to some film which I haven't seen?
I want to ask you, I want to know
whether
from you,
those-
do you watch stuff on OTT? Do you watch stuff that comes out
I don't
from...
watch a lot of mainstream cinema at
And
all.
the kind of scripts that you are offered, do you feel there has been a shift, there's been a transformation in that sense?
No. I think it's a bit of the good, the bad and the ugly. It's been that way. The only thing that has changed between today and maybe 30 years ago, even I think television wasn't 100 channels at the time, or maybe they were, is the demand for better writing. They've understood now, unless you're 2 or 3 of the most charismatic superstars of the past, this generation, of the past generation, who can carry off something that might not be superbly written, nobody else can. Has to be written. So the writer, thank God, is getting primacy that we
Finally.
never had before. That has changed. But the representation of men in cinema, I mean, Chameli, Mr. and Mrs. Iyer, I did a trifecta where the man is happy to let the woman take center stage. Mr. and Mrs. Iyer, Chameli,
Mommy voice.
and Pyar Ke Side Effects. The women are very strong characters.
Yeah, yeah.
whether it's Kareena, whether it's Konkona, Malika.
Malika, sorry, yeah.
And I never had a problem. Never.
Because your characters were also very, I mean, there was such a sense of equality between the
Also
two.
written
You can't
very
say
well, I
one
guess.
character was
Written
less
very
important
well.
than the other.
No. In Chameli,
Chameli
Kareena's
maybe,
role
yes.
was far stronger, and it's great. I had zero problem with it because I serve a movie. I don't serve myself. Or then don't take the movie.
Correct. True.
If you're taking the movie, serve the movie. And that was the movie. It's called Chameli. It's not called Chameli and,
Yeah.
right? It's called Chameli. So you know exactly where that's going. And I was fine with it. So I think that those characters, perhaps you're suggesting that there are many more of those characters being written right now. I don't know. I haven't certainly seen any wave of that happening.
I would love to add to that. I think what you were trying to ask is कि जो वो तब एक पैरेलल सिनेमा के रूप में कर रहे थे उस वक्त,
Yeah.
अगर अब वो उनको लगता है कि मेन स्ट्रीम में भी वैसा कंटेंट
Yeah,
बन रहा
maybe
है
it's,
क्या?
yeah, maybe it's becoming more inclusive. Is it?
Definitely more, like the likes of Apar or many
Ayushman's
other such-
work.
Ayushman's
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
They're very
Even
such,
Raj, I feel.
जैसे अंधाधुन हो गई या काफी इस तरह की और फिल्म्स हो गई या राज का काम जो है या काफी कुछ जो और बन रहा है. And similarly with the actresses like Bhumi and Taapsee and the kind of work
Yeah.
they do.
There has been.
Radhika. There is.
The
But-
attraction on the box office for women, for empowered women.
And
There has
OTT
been.
पे भी बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, which is now in that realistic and commercial zone, which is financially commercial but
Yeah, but
viable,
still
but
more
it's
realistic.
realistic. But I think the flavor of the kind of movies that Rahul had done, Mr. Mrs. Iyer, Chameli, Bombay Boys, it's still, for the lack of a better word, is still more niche. Rather rawness, एक हल्की सी जो
Yeah.
Mr. Mrs. Iyer में जो rawness है, या एक उनका एक सूदिंग पना है, मे बी झंकार बीच का, और इधर में प्रॉबेबली जाने तू या जाने ना would be a film जो काफी कमर्शियल थी, बट उसका फ्लेवर मेरे लिए वैसा था जैसे झंकार बीच का है.
I know what you're saying. Yeah.
तो वो एक सिंपलिस्टिक रियल फिल्म्स अभी भी उतनी नहीं बन रही हैं. अब हम लोग बहुत थ्रिलर जोन में जा रहे हैं. अभी भी वो एक गॉडीनेस है जो उस तरह की फिल्म्स में हम पहले जो नीश सिनेमा की फिल्म्स हम कह रहे थे वो उतनी नहीं. हम कहाँ, इफ यू थिंक अबाउट दोस फिल्म्स, आपको चमेली याद आएगी, बट यू वुडंट बी एबल टू थिंक ऑफ अ पैरेलल
So
in
true.
today's time.
But in the
Mr.
depiction of
Mrs.
men and women, as you were suggesting, I don't think there's been
a huge change.
No.
Correct. I agree.
Yeah, उसको तो बहुत टाइम
Yeah, that's why those roles are also iconic, na? Like a Chameli's
Yeah.
role or a Konkana's role in
Far
Odd
and
Six
few in
36.
between. It's that.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
Tabu's role in
Yeah.
which
Even
was that film?
Andhadhun. Tabu's role in Andhadhun that defies all gender stereotypes.
Yeah.
Page
You
3
know?
kind of movies.
Yeah, correct.
वो तब भी वही like we haven't really developed it as much as we should have by now.
And I think
That's
that's
why
the hope.
Shabana ma'am's work or
Yeah,
Smita
still
Patil's
stands
work
tall.
still is different than
true.
whatever we've seen now.
Yeah, and I think that's the hope that with every film there's there's an attempt
Yeah.
to push the envelope.
Yeah.
And I think with Berlin, I definitely feel the storytelling, because I was really thrilled by the trailer. I can't wait
Thank
to
you.
watch it.
So sweet of you.
And,
Z5, 13 September.
Yes, I liked Atul's earlier work, so very excited for that.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.